If you're planning to convert your van or camper van into the ultimate camping vehicle, Car Glass and Trim can help. We specialise in installing pop-top roofs, creating extra space to increase storage, add a roof bed, or to give you standing space for cooking. The low profile still allows you to access car parks and most home garages, so you'll have the best of both worlds. It's important to get the right advice from the start, and our experienced team have been converting campervans and vans since 1983, so we know our stuff. We use the best materials and equipment and can guarantee all our workmanship, ensuring you have a leak-free, safe pop-top for years to come. We can also add windows and privacy tints and can transform all make and models of van and campervan. So for the best advice on your van or campervan conversion, give us a ring today. Car Glass and Trim, giving you a clear view of the road ahead.